Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the clip you will remix, choose one under 60 seconds, and check that remixing is allowed. You should also collect your own vertical footage, any replacement audio, and captions so you can layer elements. Once you have those assets, open the short in the YouTube app and tap the remix or create button to begin. Make sure to sign into the account you'll publish from, because permissions and upload defaults depend on that profile. This speeds the next steps. You now enter the detailed editing phase where timing matters. First, trim the source to the strongest hook and remove dead space. Next, align your audio and video so beats match cuts. Speed can be nudged up to 10% to maintain rhythm without artifacts. Then layer captions and text overlays using large fonts for vertical 9:16 viewing. Once done, preview full screen, adjust clip order, and confirm that visual focus and audio clarity hold. You finish by setting the title, visibility, and tags, and make sure the original creator credit is preserved per remix rules. Once uploaded, monitor for copyright claims. If a claim appears, swap to royalty-free audio or mute the offending track so the short stays live. If publishing fails, clear the app cache, restart, or upload from the desktop web uploader as a fallback. Finally, review analytics after 24-48 hours to iterate on thumbnail, hook length, and captioning for better reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.